Friends, in previous class we have discussed about lab activity 1 and converging mirror. Now we have discussed about ray diagram. See friends, this is ray diagram in textbook. I will explain this easily, you can understand, but listen carefully friends. Okay, let's start the lesson. Ray diagram. By the ray diagram we can able to know position of the object. Ray diagram మనం position of object ని తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. See friends, this is concave mirror. This is red light oxide. This is principle of axis. Pole, midpoint of the pole. P denotes pole means P. F means focus. C means center of the curvature. This is a candle. This is a candle friends. Now I am explaining this diagram. Listen carefully friends. How to draw the ray diagram? If object of the principal axis, here while drawing ray diagram we should take two rays friends. While drawing a ray diagram, at least we should take two rays are emitted from same point. See friends, same point in different directions. After they reflect, while at point image is formed, obviously after it reflects friends, it is reflecting to the mirror. It will reflect to down. Where it will be reflect, where will be end? Obviously you know friends, it will be end here. This A means intersecting point. Here we can able to see the object of this. Here we can able to see the image of this object. Okay na friends, you have one doubt. If we move the screen front of before A, what happens? So after reflection, where do we keep the screen? Obviously you know friends, we will keep the screen at A only. Oh, you have one doubt friends. If screen is moves before A, after A, you kept before or after A, it will be get blur. Why means if we have only one point, we can see able to one image only. Here we have 2 points now friends. Example, draw the line, it keeps a B, take 2 points. So here you have 2 points. The image will see here one, here and here, so it will be blur image. So we can able to see clear image at intersecting point only. I hope you understand about this diagram. Now before we going to, now I am explaining about rules of ray diagram. So see friends, rules to obtain the images of spherical mirror, concave mirror. Rule 1, incident ray pass parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it pass through focus. Write it friends, it is important point. It is rule 1. Okay, now see the diagram. See friends, diagram. This is concave mirror. See what he stated, the incident ray passes through the parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it passes through the focus. This is rule 1 friends. Incident ray straight గా ఇక్కడ parallel axis మీద ట్రావెల్ అవుతుంది. After reflection ఎక్కడి నుంచి పోతుంది? Focus line. See friends, focus point, it will be passes through the focus point. It is rule 1. Next we have to know about rule 2. If incident ray passes through focus, after reflection it travels parallel to the principal axis. See friends, concave mirror, the incident ray, IR means incident ray, the incident ray passes through the focus. After reflection, it travel parallel to the principal axis. RR means not a radonoli cinema friends, it is RR means reflector ray. Okay now friends, if incident ray pass through the focus, after reflection it travel parallel to the principal axis. Okay, we have discussed 2 rules. A third rule, what it means, if incident ray pass through the center of a curvature, after reflection it come back in the same path. Okay, we can tell retraces the same. See friends, concave mirror, principal axis, pole, focus, the reflector, the incident ray reflect here and again go back. So we keep this directions friends. ఇలానే స్ట్రైట్గా పాస్ అయ్యి అదే మళ్ళీ సేమ్ అట్లనే రిఫ్లెక్ట్ బ్యాక్ అయిపోతుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. రూల్ 4, For all incidence ray, a spherical mirror will behave as a plane mirror. If the point of incidence is the pole of the mirror, if the point of the incident is pole of the mirror, the incident ray will behave as a plane mirror. This is, friends, the incident ray reflecting, and the reflected ray reflects the following laws of reflection. Next, we have to discuss about convex mirror ray diagrams. See, friends, convex mirror ray diagram, same form, same rules, friends, but that is, here is outer volute surface is reflecting surface, here the inner surface is reflecting surface. That is different, friends. Total is same. See, friends, the incident ray passes through the parallel axis, principal axis. It will be reflected to focus. See, friends, here we imagination. See, friends, this point is imagination. It is a diverge. Focusing, it is diverge. This rule 1, friends. Rule 2. The incident ray passes through the focus, and again it reflected to principal axis, parallel principal axis. This is rule 2, friends. This is rule 3. The incident ray passes through the center of curvature, again that is going back, friends. So we kept this points, friends, indicate directions. Rule 4, same, friends. The light is falling here, so we can kept the light is reflected to pole, so we kept incident ray reflected there. Again the reflection is following laws of reflection. So see, friends, same rules. Here the incident ray pass parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it pass through focus. See, friends, the incident ray passes parallel to the mirror, again it will be passed through the focus. Again here also the incident ray passes to the principal axis. It will be reflected as focus. See, friends, focus, imagination. This is, friends, today's class. So please write these rules, friends. It is very important. I hope you understand about rules of ray diagrams. I will come next video with new topic. Thank you for watching.